Realme GT3, everything you need to know. Tech enthusiasts, buckle up. The Realme GT3 is here to make waves with its groundbreaking specs and features. From an ultra-fast 240-watt charging speed to a sharp 144Hz AMOLED display, this device blends high-end performance with intriguing design elements at a mid-range price. Let's dive in. The Realme GT3 features a 6.74-inch AMOLED display with a crisp 1240 by 2772 resolution and brilliant 144Hz refresh rate. Add 1400 nits peak brightness and you're guaranteed a vibrant viewing experience. Its matte glass finish, combined with a unique LED-lit camera section, adds a bold vibe to its black and white options. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, the Realme GT3 delivers impressive performance. Tailored for multitasking, it comes with RAM options ranging from 8GB to a staggering 16GB, and internal storage up to a whopping 1TB. With Android 13 and Realme UI 4.0, expect a seamless and snappy user experience. The standout feature is the 240-watt wired charging, taking your battery from 0 to 100% in just 9.5 minutes. The 4,600 mAh battery offers solid endurance, while AI-enhanced charging adapts to your usage. Although wireless charging is missing, its wired speeds put competitors like the Galaxy S23 to shame. Photography gets a boost with a versatile triple-lens setup, a 50-megapixel OIS-enabled main sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a unique 2-megapixel microscope camera for extreme close-ups. Capture 4K videos at 60 FPS, or enjoy selfies with a sharp 16-megapixel front snapper, designed for detailed shots. Priced at $649, the Realme GT3 is a mid-range champ, delivering premium features at a competitive cost. With a futuristic design, high-speed charging, and flagship-adjacent specs, it promises exceptional value whether you're a gamer, photographer, or tech enthusiast. The Realme GT3 disrupts the mid-range market by packing flagship-like features without the hefty price. It's perfect for power users and everyday multitaskers alike. If speed, style, and reliability matter, this phone is for you. Hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below your favorite Realme GT3 feature. Let's keep the conversation going.